Happy day, students. Today you are going to learn CBSE Class 5 first poem in English, Ice Cream Man. Turn to page 4 in your Marigold textbook. In which season is ice cream popular? See the first question. In which season is ice cream popular? Answer is ice cream is popular in summer season. Moving ahead to second question. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Answer. The speaker feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Moving ahead to third question, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. The ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry flavors of ice cream. Fourth question, what are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream and cold drinks. Cold drinks means, Coca-Cola, Sprite, all these cold drinks. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. See, answer is in winter season, we can eat hot sandwiches and sip hot tea or coffee. We can also sit around a fire and eat popcorn, reveries, and peanuts. List as many summer activities as you can. Okay, the answer is swimming, trekking, that means going walking, okay, long walk. Going for picnic in the evening, drawing sketches, painting, reading storybooks, playing video games, and cricket. Now, seventh question you see, group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. What are the indoor activities? Indoor activity means we are doing inside our house, okay. Then outdoor activities means you are going outside. That means to the playground or some other place outside your house. Okay. Now, answer is indoor activities. Playing indoor games, drawing, painting, reading storybooks. Okay, dear? Now, outdoor activities are swimming, trekking, playing cricket, going for a picnic. Moving ahead to the next question, what are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? The answer is, I hear sound of a ringing bell. Okay, I hear sound of ringing a bell. Next, I hear ice cream man cries loudly, crying, ice cream, ice cream. Then I hear the joyful shouting of the children. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. Find out and report. Here is a report on Uncle Lal's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. Dairy farm means, where they keep the cows. Okay. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows. He has 15. See, he has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Barn means the place where they are coming for getting milk. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. Okay. When writing a report, you should remember these points. Okay. Think of a good title. Title means, heading. Write it correctly without spelling mistakes. Then keep to your subject. Now we are talking about Uncle Lal's milk farm. Okay. Tell things in the right order. Everything should be arranged, all your points should be arranged in the right order. Make your paper look neat. So in groups of 4, write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. You may use the following clues. First point is given. Start with a short introduction which contains the topic. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. Next, say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands. Then fourth point, under each brand, find out which flavors are being sold the most. Also, find out the prices. Okay. Now, we shall see. Finally, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. See, our group visited 3 ice cream parlors in our area. Mother Dairy sells 3 flavors, namely mango, duet, then vanilla and choco bar. Quality Walls offers orange bar, twister and choco fiat. Amul has raspberry, Coca-Cola bar and surprise bar. Prices range from 15 rupees to 25 rupees. We tasted all of them. In my opinion, Mother Dairy's vanilla ice cream is the most popular. Okay, dear. Now, 10th question. You see, what do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful, sight, little, cart, round, umbrella. Can you make these sounds? Yes. What are the describing words used in the poem? You see dash mounts, dash flavor, dash cluster. See, you see cooling, brown and white mounts. Okay. MOUNDS. Then B. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry flavor. Then thick cluster. Right? Now you can draw and color your dream ice cream and describe it using interesting flavors, the size, how it looks, tastes, feels also. Here is the ice cream of my dreams. It is a huge bar and looks like a rocket. It has layers of colors, white and chocolate. It is creamy with generous sprinkling of nuts. It has exotic taste, a mixture of several flavors in one. Just look at my dream ice cream. Okay, dear, moving on to the last one. Have you ever eaten kulfi, the ice cream from North India? The following sentences describe how it is served, but they are not in the correct order. Okay, so you have to write the correct number and write the correct sentences. Okay, now I have given the correct order. It is as following. First point, the kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. Pitcher means that is one mold shaped in the form of a pot. Okay. Secondly, you see, he scoops out the kulfi on a plate. Right. Thirdly, he arranges some faluda around it. Faluda means, now also we can get with that semolina also. Okay, very nice it will be to see also and to taste also. Next you see, then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. So, dear, hope you have understood this poem, that is Ice Cream Man, for your syllabus. So, we can meet in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.